Hi kids. How are you all? Today we will learn about colors. I have some objects. Will you help me in coloring them? Okay, so let's start. This is a smiley face. Let's choose a color for it. I have 5 colors. So, I am choosing this color. Can you tell me the name of this color? Yes, it's red. Let's color it. Wow, it looks so nice. It is a sun. Let's choose color for it. I am choosing this color. Can you name this color? Superb, it's yellow. Let's color it. Wow, now it is bright sun. These clouds are so beautiful. Let's choose color for them. I have 3 colors remaining. I am selecting this color. Can you tell me the name of this color? Yeah, it's blue. Let's color it. Great, it looks so nice. Let's paint this bubble. Which color should I choose? Okay, so I selected this one. Can you name this? Good job, it's green. Let's color it. Wow, such a lovely green color. It is a frame. Let's choose color for it. So I have only 1 color remaining. This is my last color. Do you know its name? You are right, it's orange. Let's color it. Wow, the frame looks so beautiful. So kids, I painted all my objects. They are glowing with colors. Now let's play a game. You have to answer simple questions. Let's start. Which object is red in color? Correct, car is red in color. Which object is orange in color? Yes, table is orange in color. Which object is blue in color? Good job, it's ice cream. Can you name the color of all 3 objects? Correct, it's yellow. All 3 objects have the same color. What is the name of this color? You are right, it's green. This color is such a bright color. Can you name it? Good job, it's blue. Well done, kids. To win this game. You all played very well. Thank you for watching. See you again.